Hi, welcome back. In this lesson, we will learn about meta tags. Let us first search internships word on Google. This result is displayed by the Google is based on the meta tags of the pages displayed. This is the title defined in the title tag. This is the description of the web page that is defined in the meta tag. We can verify it from the source code of this web page. This is the title tag and this is description meta tag. Meta information means information about information. You must have worked on Word documents. In case of Word documents, meta information is additional information that is not included in the document itself. For example, this information could be the date on which document was created, the author of the document, the format of document, etc. In case of HTML files, meta tags provide additional important information about a document in a variety of ways. The meta elements can be used to describe the properties of the HTML document such as description of the page, author, etc. This tag is an empty element and so it does not have a closing tag, but it carries information within its attributes. This information is used by search engine to find relevant links for the user. Meta tags are included inside the head section of the web page. For search engines, title tag is really important. For all web pages, we have to define title tag. These should be relevant, short, and may include brand name. This is not mandatory, but it is best practice. Title tag is displayed in search engine result, which will make a user click on the link. There is one more tag which tells about the title of the web page. If we have both title tag and meta title tag, search engines give importance to title tag only. Meta title tag is often ignored by the search engine like Google. So either include same information in title and meta title tag, or you can just focus on title tag and remove meta title tag from your web pages. Now, we will learn about various meta tags. First meta tag is description. Name attribute will contain the type, which in this example is description. Content attribute will contain the data. There is no limit to meta description length, but search engine generally truncate content longer than 160 characters. It is best to keep meta description between 150 to 160 characters. The other type is keyword. Data inside the content attribute is separated by comma. When the search is made, search engines look for the relevant keywords in meta tags of the web page and then display the result when keyword match with the search. There is no limit on number of keywords this meta tag can have, but it is good practice to have less than 10% of the total words of the web page. But it is good practice to have less than 10% of the total words used on the web page. Otherwise, it could be considered as overstuffing. The next important meta tag is viewport. The viewport is user's visible area of a web page. The viewport varies with the device. This will be smaller on a mobile phone than on a desktop device. A viewport element gives the browser instruction on how to control the page's dimensions and scaling. The width is equal to device width part sets the width of the page to follow the screen width of the device. The initial scale is equal to 1.0 sets the initial zoom level when the page is first loaded by the browser. This tag is mandatory for all web pages to make them adjust for all screen sizes. Another meta tag is refresh. HTTP equiv attribute is used for refresh. Content will contain number of seconds after which page should refresh. Let us see how this page behaves. After 5 seconds, the web page will automatically refresh. This is about refresh meta tag. There are number of meta tags that one could use. Please refer to helper text for complete list of meta tags available.